Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we are continuing on with the exercises and we're in Domain 4 Exercise 2. As always, you need to open up your files from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel, and the file you need to open up is Text.xlsx spreadsheet. So it's Text.xlsx spreadsheet. So I have that file open there now. So question 1 is, in cell B2, use a formula to change the text in cell A2 into uppercase. Copy the formula down the column. So I click into A2. So this is uppercase. So into A2, I go equals upper, because that's going to change the text into big letters. So upper A2 and then close my brackets, and you can now see that's transformed that text into uppercase. Okay, the next question, in cell C2, use a formula to change the text in cell A2 into sentence case. Copy the formula down the column. So sentence case is the proper function, so equals proper, and we're going to put in A2 and then press enter, and then we're going to drag down the column and that will replicate down the column. So that puts it into sentence case, okay? The next question, in cell D2, use a formula to change the text in cell A2 into lowercase. Copy the formula down the column. So for lowercase, it's equals lower. So we're going to do A2 again and then press enter, and then I'm going to just drag it down, okay? Okay, the next question is, in cell E2, use a function to calculate the number of characters in cell A2. Copy the formula down the column. So this is the len function, so equals len A2, and then I'm going to press enter, and then I'm going to drag it down. So if you look over here, you can see the number of characters. If you count them, they'll match what's there, okay? Okay, then the next question then is, in cell C8, use a function that joins the cells in A8 and B8 to create an email address. Copy the formula down the column. So I'm going to use my concat function here, which joins two cells. So I'm going to go to text concat. I click into A8. I press tab on my keyboard. I click into B8 and I click OK. And now you can see it's joined the first name with the email, okay, and created an email address. Now I'm just going to replicate down the column, okay. Now the next question then is, in cell C14, use a function that joins the cells in A14 and B14 to create an information column separated by a hyphen. Copy the formula down the column. So again, it's concat, so I'm going to click into text concat, and just bear with me there. So it's A14, then I'm going to press tab, then I'm going to press the hyphen key, and then tab again, and it's B14, okay? And then I'm just going to click OK. And now you can see that it's separated by a hyphen. The two cells are joined together. So I'm just going to drag them down, okay? Okay, so then the next question then is, in cell G2, use a function that retrieves the first three letters from cell F2 and copy the formula down the column. So to get your first letters, I'm going to go equals, and then I'm going to go left, and then I want the first three letters. So A, F2, comma 3, and then press enter, and that's just going to get the first three letters, and then I'm going to drag it down all the way down, okay? The next question is, in cell H2, use a function that retrieves the middle two letters from cell F2 and copy the formula down the column. So again, it's equals mid, then it's F2, then the start is, I'm going to start at 2, and then it's two letters then, and then I'm going to press enter, and I'm just going to drag that down, okay? Okay, now the next question then is, in cell I2, use a function that retrieves the last two letters from cell F2. Copy the formula down the column. So again, I'm going to go equals, this is the right function to get the last two letters, F2, comma 2, okay? And then I'm going to press enter, and again, I'm going to just drag this down, okay? Now the final question is, convert the first table to a cell range without losing the cell formatting. Save and close your work. So look, I'm just going to click into the first table. I'm going to click into table design, convert to range. And do you want to convert to normal range? I'm going to click yes. And now that's a normal range, okay? So that's fantastic. That's domain 4 exercise 2 completed. And we will shortly see you on domain 5 exercise 1. And thanks for watching and take care.